March of 2020, the COVID drop was the last time SI on the daily has been this low. Okay, starting on Bitcoin here on the daily, here you can see that massive daily candle, $10,000 top to bottom, but we should begin our conversation on the weekly chart that we were looking at yesterday. And we were talking about the support here, the importance of the 50% level, which has obviously failed. Now, we don't want to see a monthly candle close below this, so that's going to be important as we transition from February into March. So definitely watch that, because monthly candles below this suggest that we need a lot more time for the bear market and the subsequent recovery. And we've seen some strong buy-side demand come in. We're into this previous consolidation cluster from the summer into fall of 2024 before the US election. And I thought we would drop a little bit more. Maybe we still will. To right here, we have the 200-week moving average, which often plays support for Bitcoin and is kind of a grounding moving average. So this is our last line in the sand in terms of these major moving averages, and it aligns exactly with the 382 fib level at 58K. March of 2020, the COVID drop was the last time SI on the daily has been this low. So we really are at historic extremes and a point where we should soon see a relief bounce. And while this move has been extreme, the one thing we haven't seen, often for a true bottom at the end of a correction or the end of a bear market, you need some big fear flush. But I do anticipate we'll see a bit of relief, but the odds are stacked in the favor of us making a lower high, wherever that ends up being, and eventually seeing some lower prices still in the months ahead. Okay, moving on to Solana, which had a huge drop as well. And I actually nibbled a little bit today.